Hello everyone, so in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in Subaru Liberty, and the car belonging to the generation 2003 and 2008, and this one is 2008 model. So basically we have the car coming with the McIntosh sound system over here, which means it has amplifier, it has premium sound setup. And at this moment, okay, before talking about at this moment, actually the car come with a standard storage box and a little clock on the top, which we already mentioned in another video how to remove that one. And also we already have the video how to remove the whole setup. You can look up in our channel. At this moment we already perfectly fit in with the 9-inch full setup, wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and on the screen you're seeing is the wireless Apple CarPlay is running. Yeah, and the system is working beautiful with the sound setup go through the McIntosh system here. And we also have the steering wheel control still working for the setup here, and it also changing the sounds from the system when you want to change it. Of course we fit this on with the 2 USB port, and we also fit it with the new FHD anti-glare and super high vision reverse camera, which you can see right here with the reverse camera. Okay, that is nighttime and behind is dark, but you can see that. Okay, at the back end it's very clear, very clean, and fully adjust the camera, showing up the angle nicely at the back end. Yeah, you can count the brake right from far on the deck, so it's all good. So far that's about the system. And quickly, when you move the gear stick, it actually will change back to the wireless Apple CarPlay screen, which is exactly what we want. So to sum up, very simple. It retained the factory steering wheel control, it retained the factory McIntosh sound system, and it add in the 9-inch full package, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Beautiful fit on the top. So what do you want more? Actually, that is about the system. You want to see it perfectly fit into the dash, you want to see it matching to the color, and yes, it fit and it matched nicely. Okay, so thanks again, and we'll see you on the next one.